Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick drugstore makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look only using drugstore products, then just stay tuned. So the first thing we're always going to do is moisturize our skin. I've been loving the e.l.f. Hydrating Cream. So after I moisturize, I like to spray any type of setting spray before applying makeup. So I apply it at the beginning and then I apply it at the end. This is the Master Fix setting spray from Maybelline. And I'm just gonna spray it on my face. And then I'm gonna start with my brows. So I'm using the LA Girl Brow Pomade for my brows, similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. It's really good and creamy, but I feel like the dip brow, I feel like gets dry super quick. This one stays creamy. I've had it for a while and it's super creamy still. So I really like it and it's affordable. So I'm just gonna fill in the sparse areas first. This one is my bad brow, the one that like I feel like I always have to like draw in and it always looks like just extra because it's just my bad brow. If you don't know how to fill in your brows and you're in a rush, you can skip the filling in part, but just apply some concealer and I'll show you guys in a little bit how you apply concealer. Apply concealer under your eyebrows and like basically clean them up. That will automatically enhance your brows. They will look like they are filled in, but they're not. So now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. So you're just gonna follow the arch of your brow and clean them up. And you can do this whether you fill them in or not. It just makes your brows automatically look just clean. Never skip this step. This is important. It can even help a girl who has not ever done their brows. I have quinceañeras that have never done their eyebrows and all I do is clean it with concealer and they automatically just look super clean. They don't look as bushy anymore. And I'm just gonna spot cover some of my acne. I'm gonna set my eyelids with translucent powder. I'm using the AirSpun translucent powder. You can find it at Walmart. I feel like it's a good drugstore, affordable translucent powder. I haven't had problems with it. It's nice and thick. I'm gonna be using this palette from Milani. It's called Earthy Elements 05. I'm gonna go in with this matte shade right here. Go into the crease. Remember that these colors are buildable, so if you want something natural and quick, you can just apply a little bit, blend it in, and keep going. We're just gonna apply that to the corner and then drag it up into our crease in windshield wiper motion. So I'm just gonna leave it like that on my crease. I'm gonna go in with this shimmery shade right here for my eyelid. So that's all I'm gonna do to the eyes, and then I'm gonna move on to foundation. I'll be using the NYX Born to Glow foundation in the shade Neutral Tan. I'm gonna put some of that in the back of my hand and then put it all over my face. I'm just gonna dot it like that. your Real Techniques blender, you're just gonna blend that into the skin. And whatever's left in the back of your hand, just pat it on the areas where you feel like you need more coverage. For me, it's always in this area of my face because that's where I have all my acne. Oh, so bad. So now that our foundation is on, I'm gonna go back in with that same concealer from e.l.f. The Hydrating Camo Concealer. And this is in the shade Light Beige. And I'm just gonna apply that under our eyes. And we're just gonna blend that in. Then I'm gonna go in with Black Radiance Contour Stick. You can find this at Walmart, and we're just gonna contour a little bit on our forehead. I have a brush like this. You can also go in with the same blender, and I'll do that on this side and just blend it in, and then blend it in on your forehead, and just with the same brush without applying more product, a little bit under the chin. Go back in with my damp Real Techniques blender and put in the translucent powder under my eyes to set that concealer. I'm gonna put some on the forehead. And on my chin. Like that. You always want to smile when you're applying blush because it like really gets into the apples of your cheeks. So you just want to kind of like, yeah, there you go. And you can kind of get in there. I'm gonna apply that same translucent powder under. Like that. Now we're just gonna pat in that translucent powder into our skin. Like that. Back in with your Maybelline setting spray and just bring back some moisture. So this is my favorite drugstore highlighter, and it's the Wet n Wild I'm So Lit loose highlighter. Woo, I love this thing. I don't even dig into the highlighter itself. I always just dig into the top of this and then, whew, yeah, that part. See? Super affordable, and it's the bomb. And I spray again. I'm gonna apply white Wet n Wild eyeliner under my eye. You can use a white eyeliner, a black eyeliner. It's all your choice of preference, but eyeliner will instantly make you look alive. And then I'm gonna go in with Maybelline's Big Colossal Mascara and apply some to my eyelashes. So back then I would actually curl my eyelashes and then apply mascara, but ever since I've been doing lash extensions, I really do not recommend that you guys curl your eyelashes. Being a lash tag, you can see the damage caused by curling your eyelashes. I'm telling you guys, it's really ugly. I mean, unless it's like for a special event and like, you know, once in a blue moon, but if you curl your lashes every day, you're really damaging your lashes. I'm gonna go in with that same shadow we used in our crease, and I'm just gonna apply some to the bottom of my eyes. Gonna go back in with our mascara and apply mascara to our bottom lashes. And I'm just gonna apply some more gloss onto my lips. I'm not gonna apply a color. And this is the finished Drugstore makeup tutorial. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.